Say hi. You're so mean. A 7-night cruise on the Carnival Miracle coming from Florida, and then we're hitting up 4 islands: Grand Cayman, Belize, Roatan, Honduras, and Cozumel. So yeah, pretty much unlimited food, breakfast, lunch, dinner. As far as drinks goes, I didn't buy a drink package because I don't drink like that, so I'll just kind of like pay as I go. Although my mom wants to buy, and they have so much to do, like literally all day, every day. There's always some sort of event going on. They give out free things. You could win raffles, jewelry. I got this for $40. It's real diamonds. But this was like a deal, like, oh, if you buy something, then you could purchase this for $40. So I just had to, because it's real diamonds and silver. So hopefully it lasts forever. And then over here, oh wait. So, just food, rooms, and people. Alright. Let's see what we got going on over here.
Let's go on this side where the water is poured on both sides.
Thank you for your loyalty. Looking forward to meet you all tonight at the Cayman celebration.
Let's go to the adult pool.
7:15 p.m. in the atrium.
You know, they really aren't. I haven't seen them all the other kids over there.
Thank you for your kind attention. As always,
yeah.
It doesn't even matter.
be safe.
And sit, eat here.
Hey, look at that one.
On this level, this floor is literally bars, pool, and food. And then up, they have more chairs where you could sit in the sun. And this is one of the pools. Pool area. What about the other one? Here's mom.
Huh? Oh, shit.
Exciting. Yeah, it is, right? Taking a little break from the sun because my skin burns so easily. Like, I can't even be 20 minutes in the sun without sunscreen. If I put sunscreen on, maybe an hour, 2 hours max, but I start to feel my skin get really hot, and then I don't know, I don't want to get sunsick. So anyway, I am just going to be sitting here reading this book, 100 Best Places to Retire. Weather is a big factor, and state income tax, because I don't want to be working for the state. That's why I'm leaving New York sometime soon. Okay guys, so I am reporting from 7 Mile Beach in Grand Cayman, and it's really nice. Yeah. Today is pretty much the only day that we don't have an excursion booked. So we're probably just gonna do like a little bit of shopping.
So this is so good. He said
Fresh
you have
coconut.
to ask for a young one.
It's very floppy. Coconut juice is good though. So good.
Can't get coconut like this at home. It's my spoon.
Have more. I heard there was a dog somewhere.
It's right there. Look through the fence.
Hi. Oh my god. Yes. Hello.
Hello. You're so cute. You're adorable. You're a fox breed. Look at his tail.
Yeah.
You're cute.
Ooh. What a life. He just hangs out at the beach all
Yeah.
day
Gets
long.
some
Where's a good
coconut.
little
What if he
pupper?
likes coconut? Ruby would.
He likes his
it.
little scratchies. This place is filled with just shops, restaurants. I even found a gelato place where they sell, like, gelato is just, if you've never had gelato, you have to have gelato. Gelato is better than ice cream. What kind of coffee did you get? Can I have
Talking to
some?
me? What?
Yeah, can I have some? It's a sip.
It's good. It's like a latte.
Latte?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, it's good. I like it. We have arrived to Roatan, Honduras, and we are on our way to Mayan Eden Echo Park.
Hola, hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Mm? Hola, ma. Hola, ma.
All animals like the food, don't they?
Put it in your arm. Let her take the picture for you. Let her take the picture. Take the picture for
He doesn't want to read.
Lisa.
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 Let her eat.
Oh, she's a little tongue. Whitetail what?
Whitetail fingers. Whitetail fingers. See?
Nope,
Whitetail
not having it.
reindeers. They're local.
Kind of cool. And they have this whole little setup over here. You could just like hang out at the beach, get drinks, etc., etc. So I'm gonna go collect some sand because I like every place I go to, I like to collect either sand or dirt. This is the baleada con frijole y queso. It's good because it's fresh. This is the baleada con frijole y queso. I've had something like this in Guatemala, I think. But the tortilla is so fresh. It's good because it's fresh. Made by the locals. Nothing better than that. Oh well. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday. I know it's Thursday. I'm not sure if it's May 15th or May 16th. What does it matter? You lose track of time on this boat. My excursion starts. I have to be ready in an hour. So I'm gonna skip breakfast. And my mom, the kind, beautiful soul that she is, brought me coffee.
The water is not cold, it's only refreshing.
I'm a baby when it comes to the my skin is red when I get out of the shower. Oh.
Right, so a quick reminder. This is what we're gonna see now as we got there. That's where we're going, but before we go that way, bear in mind that in the palm of our hands, there's a natural oil that we have in the palm of our hands, which we don't see, but by touching these beautiful crystals here, we can stop these from shining. We can stop these rock formations from growing. Again, it's a slow process on how these rock formations have grown. The upper piece there started growing. Okay, so eventually forming into one of these by that maybe this point of dot rock there hanging down. Okay, so there's a stalagmite growing on top of a fallen stalactite, so it's growing, it's spreading. If we touch this once again with
Water is so fresh and clean and refreshing. It's like the perfect temperature after being out in the humidity. Let's see what's going on underneath. so we have reached Cozumel. This is what the port looks like. Got my breakfast, which is so healthy. Actually, not really. The eggs are okay. Got some waffles and these things. I forgot what this thing is called, but I love them. They got the lemon flavored. When I get back, I don't even want to step on the scale. I might just like go to the gym and just eat healthy. Continue my normal life without knowing how much weight I gain. Because that might, I just don't want to know.
I don't know if you like it.
Well, I just did. There's probably a crocodile right in that little river. Huh? Good. That was like probably the best experience.
How was it?
Good job. No, that was really like the best experience. It was so cool. I've always wanted to do that before.
Coffee?
Andamos buscando café, pero que no es de Starbucks. Oh, okay. He's saying there is no coffee.
So it's right here.
So we have to settle for
Starbucks?
Only Starbucks.
Ah,
Only
yeah.
Starbucks. Okay. Getting
I want to taste
coconut
it.
and strawberry.
Coconut strawberry.
What tienen de piña? Yay, I'm getting my respaldo. Okay, so this is the respaldo. The respaldo is just shaved ice with flavoring. Does not compare to la granizada, but this is the closest thing that I found so far. But when I come back home, I'm gonna look for that lady that sells the granizada.
Yeah, that's what I want. I want that lady.
Yeah, don't worry. We have a connection. Shout out to Jakey for hooking me up with the granizadas cuando yo quiera. Muchísimas gracias, mi amor, sote bello. have to say about this trip?
I
Anything?
had fun every day.
Yeah, you did.
I laughed every day. I had the best food every day.
Extra dollars, you get the luxury of being able to looking at this whenever you want. Move your bed close to the window so you can just lay in bed and look out. Yeah. Oh, and motion sickness patches. I get motion sickness super easily. I have the pills and I also have the patch, which is, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a transdermal patch. If insurance covers it, I would suggest this. I have not felt sick once, but again, this is a big ship. I was on a little boat and I do kind of feel the movement, but not to the point where I felt lightheaded or wanted to throw up. So that being said, I've had a wonderful experience. I definitely want to come cruising again, and I totally understand why people do it. See you guys later.